Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious birria grilled cheese sandwich, so let's get started with the video. For this recipe, I'll be using the viral birria bombs. The birria bombs have all the seasonings needed to make birria, and it makes making birria super easy. I'll have a link to the birria bombs in the description below. We're going to begin by prepping our ingredients. First, dice 1 yellow onion. Then dice 1 red onion. Finally, roughly chop some cilantro. When you're finished, set your ingredients to the side. Next, cut 3 to 4 pounds of chuck roast into pieces. When you're done cutting up the chuck roast, set your Instant Pot to sauté. Then add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in the pot. Once the pot is hot, sear the meat for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Make sure to sear the pieces of chuck roast in batches so you don't overcrowd the pot. Once you've finished searing the meat, turn off the heat and place the chuck roast back into the pot. Next, add 1 diced yellow onion, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 4 cups of water or beef broth, and 1 birria bomb. Next, close the lid and set your Instant Pot to meat stew. Once the birria is finished cooking, unseal the vent and wait until all the steam has been released. Then remove the lid and take the chuck roast out of the pot and place it on a cutting board. Next, skim the layer of fat from the top of the broth and set it to the side to use later. The broth should look like this when you're finished. Next, shred the beef. Once you're finished shredding the beef, you can go ahead and make the grilled cheese sandwich. In a pan over medium heat, add olive oil. Then dip 2 slices of sourdough bread in the fat you saved before. Then place the slices of bread in the pan. Next, place slices of mozzarella cheese on each slice of sourdough. Then add the shredded beef on 1 slice of sourdough bread. Once you've added the shredded beef, add diced red onions and cilantro as well. Next, place the other slice of sourdough bread on top. Carefully flip the sandwich and cook each side until golden brown and crispy. Once you finish making your sandwich, place it on a cutting board. Cut the sandwich in half and you're all done. All you have to do now is plate it up. And this is the finished result. This birria grilled cheese sandwich was absolutely delicious. I definitely recommend trying it. By the way, you can use whatever bread you want for the sandwich, but I highly recommend using sourdough. It just makes the sandwich taste so much better. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!